Jerry really started out as a project in about the end of the summer of 2015. I think the seed that really kind of got me started thinking about building a truly universal robot, a robot that anybody could apply to something, began when I watched the movie I, Robot with Will Smith in it. It wasn't the first time I'd seen the movie. I'd seen it many times before that, but for some reason when I watched it that time, it clicked in that kind of world where robots are really ubiquitous and being used for anything from delivering a FedEx package to helping out somebody with asthma. A single robot that does all of those things was something that really stuck with me. I didn't do anything with it that time, but when I went back to school after a little while, I realized in senior project you had to choose a senior project that you wanted to do, and you had to do it within a team. When we were first starting out, we decided to present the different ideas that we wanted to pursue. The one that I wanted to present was an open source universal robot, a platform that anybody could program or build and use. When nobody wanted to use it, I started up a website called the Jerry Project and started thinking about it, started doing designs and playing around with the concepts. And a lot of the design methodologies that went into Jerry were expounded upon and developed through that website and through that bit of project. The Jerry Project as an open source platform didn't really go anywhere. But when I graduated from school and I was looking at exactly what I wanted to do, whether I wanted to go ahead with Slant Concepts or develop something else or get a job or something, this project really stuck in the back of my mind, and I ended up spending about a month of the interim time after graduating working on the designs for Jerry as I waited for other things to kind of hash out and figure out exactly what I wanted to do. When all was said and done, Jerry was the clear choice. So I decided to change Slant Concepts, which I had founded several years before, and focus it entirely on the Jerry Project. So I moved to Boise, Idaho, and I started working on Jerry, and that's what we're doing now. And that's basically where Jerry came from. He started out as an inspiration in a movie, and then he just percolated for about 6 months before I finally decided to really do something with him.